Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens with another video. We're having thunderstorms right now, and we're also getting some 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, but they will gust up to 60. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh my gosh, this rain's coming at me. Oh, the rain's stopping. There's your thunder. There's our first thunder in the video. Yeah, they said the winds will gust up to 60 in a couple minutes. Look at my tree. These clouds are moving very fast. Wow, this is crazy, y'all. Oh my gosh. The wind's picking up. That's like a 35-mile-an-hour gust. My tree's going crazy right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Wow. Wow, look at that tree. My tree is going crazy. Wow. Yeah, they said 60-mile-an-hour winds are going to arriving pretty soon in just a few minutes. I'm surprised my tree's holding up, because these are like 35-mile-an-hour gusts. That's the maximum gust. Man, this is crazy. Alright guys, I'm going to go in the front yard, so we'll see y'all in a moment. Alright, so we're out here in the front now. And, there goes my cypress. Oh, there's some lightning. I don't know if I can go out to the street, but... I'm gonna try to go out to the road. Oh, there's lightning over there. Yeah, those Bradford pears are going. Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay, this wind's picking up so hard right now, and there's lightning everywhere. And the rain's picking up. Oh my gosh. This wind's going crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a power flash. There was a power flash over there. I saw the light. I could have sworn there was a power flash. Yeah, here comes the 60-mile-an-hour winds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is getting crazy. Oh my gosh. This is like insane right now. These are like 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa, what the heck was that? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back to the backyard. Alright guys, we're in the back. Oh my gosh. My dead tree's like surviving this. Oh my gosh. These are look at the winds. They literally just, oh, that was CC, cloud to cloud lightning. I think that's coming this way. Well, it's actually moving away, but there's a second round. My dead tree is surviving this so hard right now. Whoa, I heard something. I don't know why we're having 60-mile-an-hour winds with the outer bands of this, but it's pretty cool. I'm having fun right now. Oh, rain's picking up a little bit. My tree and my stump is barely blowing. Man, this is crazy. Oh, that's I don't know what gust. Oh my gosh, look at my tree. It was blowing like crazy a second ago. And that's not the end of the 60-mile-an-hour wind. Sorry about the rain, but oh my gosh, that mulberry is going out of style. Whoa. That was over there. Look at my tree. Oh, there's more rain. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back in the front because this rain's blowing at me. Alright, we're back here. I don't know if I can go to the back anymore because this rain is picking up. Oh. The storms kind of, the rain's picking up, but these gusts are still pretty strong. It's like vibrating the gutters. Look at how hard it's raining over there. This is insane. But those were some crazy gusts earlier. Like, that was insane. Oh, these gusts are, the wind's picking back up. I don't know if we're gonna have 60-mile-an-hour winds again. I don't know. Did you guys see that lightning? I can't go out to the street because it's, well, it's raining. Oh. That was a close lightning strike. Yeah, I don't know if I can go back to the back. Because the rain's going to be blowing at me again. Okay, the rain's starting to die off. But these gusts are still kind of strong. And there's still lightning and thunder. So the rain's already passed. Oh, that was a close lightning. Oh my gosh. Now that was close. Yeah, when loud thunder strikes, it just suddenly pours down. Every time it thunders, it just pours down rain. How does lightning and thunder even produce rain? I don't know how that's possible. But that was a loud one. Oh! Oh! That just knocked our power out. Power just flickered. Whoa, CG! There's a CG over there. Oh my gosh, it literally just knocked out our power. Oh my gosh. It literally just knocked out our power. I think one of the lightnings struck close to the power lines. You guys probably saw the lights go out. Wow. The camera's trying to reconnect. That was crazy. Whoa, CG. There was another CG over there. CG means cloud ground lightning. Man, this is crazy right now. Think it's safe to go out to the street now? I don't know, but I am nervous. Oh, rain's picking back up. I don't know what I'm going to name this video. I'm probably going to name it Severe Thunderstorm Outer Bands with 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Whoa! Oh my gosh, that was a big CG. That was a massive CG. It was really vibrating my phone too. Oh my gosh. That was like less than a mile. Man. I don't know what the birds are doing out in the storm. Okay, the rain stopped. Let's go out to the road. I'm just scared lightning's gonna strike close. I'm scared. That's the only thing I'm concerned. Okay, the rain stopped. The storm is moving away now. It's moving northeast right now. So yeah, good luck to people in Wise County, because there is a ton of lightning strikes there. They're also having 60-mile-an-hour winds and hail. That was a close. Oh my gosh, again! Okay, I'm actually getting scared now. Guys, put a pray emoji in the comments. Oh my gosh, I might have to film inside because I keep getting scared by thunder cracks. Oh my goodness. This is probably the most craziest storm I've seen in the month of May this far. Yeah, this is probably the craziest storm I ever seen in the month of May. Oh my gosh, look at my bald cypress. It just lost a limb. Look at that, it's literally hanging right there. Let me get this off. Oh my gosh, look at how big this limb is. That's probably the crack I heard. My bald cypress just lost a branch. That is not good at all. Man. Cannot believe that just happened. Maybe when I climb trees tomorrow, I'll check for damage. But yeah. This is what happened. Oh, a CG over there. Yeah, this is what happens when you have 60-mile-an-hour winds. Branches come off like this. Look at this branch. That's like a decent sized branch. Oh, rain's picking up. Oh my goodness. Oh. I hear fire department and ambulances going. Yeah, people just like speeding through this neighborhood. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to the backyard, so I'll see y'all in a moment. Alright guys, I'm back in the back. I'm back in the back. I almost at the front. So, yeah, there's blue skies over there, and it's coming this way. Well, I think it is. Or is it? So, yeah. My tree literally survived. My tree, guys, give a round of applause in the comments. My dead tree has survived 60-mile-an-hour winds. Yeah, those were literally 60-mile-an-hour winds, because they knocked off that branch. I'm gonna have to end this video soon because, I don't know. My other dead tree survived as well. Alright, I'm gonna go make sure my tree is alright, so I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, I'm back. That sounded like a boom boom. That sounded like a train going through. I made sure my tree was secured, and it's nice and secured. It's so weird how there's like no wind at all. Like, for some reason, there were literally 60 mile an hour winds, and now there's like 0 mile an hour winds. Let's see if I can take a look at the storm. Yeah, there's the storm right over here. This is all the storm, and it's moving that way. And now we get this beautiful, nice sky instead of crappy weather. Well, guys, I'm going to have to end this video because the storms are moving away and there's no wind, but there is some lightning, and I don't really feel like filming it because I've already done a bunch of lightnings in this video already. So, thank y'all for watching. Leave a comment below for my dead tree, and a comment for this storm, and a comment for those lightning strikes and winds. So, my dead tree has survived, so thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. See y'all.